Good morning, buddy. Hi. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. You ready to get up and get some food in that belly? Start your day? I know I'm going to. Get dressed. Get some coffee. Let it be a beautiful day, buddy. And tomorrow we got snow coming. Got lots of snow coming, actually. 6 or more inches, huh? You coming? Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, sleepyhead. Careful, don't fall over. Move your head around. Alright, here's this. And then you got your bone broth. Alright, there you go, dude. You enjoyed that. I love you very much. You're the best.